Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile, and in this tutorial we're gonna do a groove. It's a cover groove from Mozambique, and the artist here that I'm featuring is Zaida Chongo or Zaida Longo, who comes from Mozambique, and she's singing a very beautiful song here. It's called Sibo, and I'm gonna do the main groove. Just to put it in key anyway, the main groove is we are here on the on D, the 5th fret. That's where the groove is centered. So I'm playing the notes. Actually, so that the G there and it's 5th up there, and I'm gonna play the 3rd, 4th, and 5th here. So the groove goes this way. I should just put a drum here. I'm gonna do this in a shot. So that's the groove there. I've just put in a faster tempo there, but let's faster than the normal on which it was played. So let's do this one. It's gonna be slowly. It's gonna. So just watch my feet. There you go. Again. So just be careful there. Okay, so this is the scale here, which is in our D. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So I'm playing that one, and I take an octave from there to there. Okay, so I'm playing that octave. That's the most bassy one there. So it goes. So it's 1, 3, 2, 5, which is the bassy 5. 1, 3, 2, 5. Then the second one. So the first one, the second one is then octave. Then that's 4 and 2, 1, sorry, 3 and 1 again. So that's the groove there. Thank you very much. Just watch out on Zaida song. It plays with Carlos as well. So they built out quite some nice grooves there from Mozambique. My name is Vakile. See you in the next groove. Cheers, bye.